This super healthy juice is a natural health booster that will improve your health and well-being. It is prepared from super healthy ingredients that provide many health benefits. Today we will reveal how to prepare this healthy juice that will improve your health in general. 1. Ginger. It reduces cholesterol, prevents the development of ulcers, treats migraines and reduces swelling. What is more, ginger has the ability to reduce pain caused by rheumatoid arthritis and other chronic diseases related to joints. 2. Carrots. Carrots offer plenty of health benefits. They have a high content of vitamin A and beta-carotene. It can improve the heart health, prevent cancer, treat gums, improve teeth health, and improve vision. Furthermore, it improves the condition of the skin, making it shiny, soft, and smooth. 3. Apples. Apple is definitely one of the most important and beneficial fruits. It is rich in fiber and antioxidants, and can strengthen the immune system, aid weight loss, support the proper function of the liver and kidneys, and prevent various illnesses. 4. Lemons. Lemons provide a great number of benefits for our health. They can effectively lower high blood pressure, eliminate harmful toxins from your blood and fight infections, especially those related to the respiratory system. It improves the work of the digestive system and the intestinal tract, and eliminates waste material. How to prepare this juice? Needed ingredients: juice from 1/2 lemon, 4 carrots, 1 ginger root, 2 centimeters, 3 apples. Directions: it is very easy and simple to prepare this juice. Peel the ingredients and put them in a blender. Blend until you get a thick smoothie. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe.